How to send multiple photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. To select more than one photo, tap on Select at the top right, then you will be able to choose multiple photos. Once you select the photos, tap the Share button at the bottom left corner. After that, the iOS Share menu appears. From the list of apps, you can choose any of the apps to send those selected photos. In this case, for example, I am choosing the Messages app. Tapping on the app, the system automatically creates a new message and places all the selected photos into the composition window, ready to be sent. From this point, all you need to do is add a recipient in the To field. Then type an optional message and tap the Send button to share all the photos at once. Following these steps, you can easily send multiple photos on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.